Hi guys, today I will be explaining about becoming a seller on Temu. If you want to be a seller on Temu, then this is a simple task. The first thing is open your computer browser and in the search bar you have to write the same like me. After it, you have to search. And on the first number you can see the official website. Just tap on this website. And now we are on the official website. The first thing you have to do is simply change the language by tapping on this English, then it will be translated to English. And you can see now it's translated. These are the options of login. If you have already account, then enter your mobile phone number with the country code and write the password and then tap on the option login. But we are trying to create our new account, so that's why I am tapping on this option register now. Here first choose your country code, then enter your mobile phone number and write the password. Then they will send a verification code on that number and then you have to enter that code. And the last thing is tap on the option register. Then you will be a merchant on Temu. The next thing is they will ask about your product, means which type of product you want to sell. And then your account will be created on Temu as a seller.